Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fluency Club podcast. I'm Kimberly, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting and rapidly growing fields of technology, artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is changing the way we live and work, and its potential is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, AI isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's already deeply integrated into our daily lives. Think about voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. These are powered by AI and have become almost indispensable for many people. But AI goes far beyond simple tasks like setting reminders or playing music. It's being used in everything from medical research to autonomous cars, and it's changing industries in ways we never imagined. Take healthcare, for example. AI is being used to help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and even predict health risks before they happen. It's also improving personalized treatments for patients, allowing healthcare professionals to tailor care specifically to each person. But that's just one example. AI is also revolutionizing industries like banking, retail, and entertainment. Companies are using it to predict consumer behavior, improve customer service, and even create personalized recommendations for things like movies or products. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more advanced, questions about privacy, security, and ethical concerns are growing. Who owns the data that AI systems collect? How do we ensure that AI is used fairly and doesn't discriminate? These are important questions that need to be addressed as we continue to develop and use AI technologies. But despite these challenges, AI presents incredible opportunities for the future. Some jobs might be replaced by machines, but there will also be new jobs created that we can't even imagine yet. For example, there's a growing need for people who can work with AI, data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI ethics experts. So, whether you're in tech or not, learning about AI and understanding how it works is something that will benefit everyone in the future. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss an episode. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content, and leave us a like if you enjoyed today's topic. Share it with your friends and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for being part of the Miss Fluency Club.